our day 3 breakfast. Thank you, Lord.
Daddy, babasong! Wow! Daddy, my babasong! Can you lower the volume a little bit? Oh. My better! My better!
Santi, can you play the turtle and the ducky? Let them spin. Can you spin it?
Help me, we cannot find it. I'm going to
Don't bump in here, kids, ha? It's too edgy, oh. Are you happy, kids?
So much happy makita yung mga kids na masaya. It's my precious moment. It's a treasure. Sobrang saya ng puso kung makita silang masaya. And having a good time, great time banding at Boracay. And thank you, Lord, so much for the blessings. Ingatan niyo po kami lang. At a safe lagi. Good health sa amin. Thank you so much.
Let's have a race. Who can find the turtle has a prize. Where's the turtle? Has a prize. There. How about the duck? Santi. Okay, all one. How about find the starfish? Where's the starfish? Oh, Kuya Lucas is the winner. How about the whale? Oh, stop. How about the crab? The crab. Where's the crab? How about the green whale? There's another small whale there. Small whale. There! Ay, seahorse ba yan? Seahorse pala yan. How about just get the ano ba yun? Seashell. There's a seashell there. Just keep looking. Where's the seashell? Kapain nyo sa ilalim. Find the seashell. Under. Nothing? Meron yan sa feet ninyo, sa pet. Did you find it? There. Can I see? Ay, crab pala yan. Kids, are you enjoying? Are you happy? Santi, are you happy? Lucas, are you happy? No? Santi. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oops! Oops! No, 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 not like that. It's not safe. You might bump your head. No, Santi, Santi.
Ay, gumas.
Careful, careful.
Guys, we're going to the beach. Hindi dapat namin.
My heel.
Wow, koi fish. Laki oh.
There, with 1 second. You want a chicken or not? Just eat it.
Sunset. Santi, Lucas, Daddy. Sunset by the beach and Kevin Alas of Gilas, Pilipinas. Congratulations.
Gold medal. Siyempre, pag hindi ka basketball fan, ito yung pinaka, sa pinaka.
Daddy, Mami.
Ay, wag ka tatati.
Santi! Lucas, Santi, look at here. Santi, look at Mommy. Lucas, dito lang kayo sa malalim, Santi. Ay, sa mababaw. Dito kayo. Dito lang kasi maalon dyan. Come here. Dito lang kayo kasi maalon. Santi, ayusin natin yung ano mo. Video. Santi, dito lang. Sunset. Nasaan si Santi? Santi. Santi.
Santi.
Lucas. This is sunset in Boracay. Wow. Beautiful sunset of Boracay. Thank you, Lord. Wow, beautiful sunset. Santi and Lucas, say hi. Say hi to the video. Say hello, guys. Wow. Tignan nyo yung sunset. Santi, look at the sunset. Where are you going, babe? Come here. Here.
It's a beautiful place in the Boracay. Galing. It's a beautiful place. And the sunset, very beautiful sunset, amazing and awesome sunset. Also the parao, bear. Many parao.
Pikachu!
Parao. Paro. It's a paro.
I feel something!
Diyan, na-video ko na dyan. Doon naman sa side video mo, be. Dito kami naman dito.
No, something.
Mommy card.
Are you happy sa Daddy? I am happy. We're happy.
I want to see if it's. Can I see your legs? Where's their legs? They're gone.
Hiding.
What? Are you walking with the legs?
No, I'm not.
Look, it's a head.
Just hold on
Kuya, baka malaglag yung ano, car.
Hindi naman sa local food. Ma'am Chantel eh.
9:15. 9 o'clock pa lang.
Parang 9
O,
o'clock.
bilisan nyo na. Papunta na.
Water again?
Natin ang sa dagat. Labas dito pa
We're
dagat
walking
pa.
here sa D-Mall. This is our last night here in Burak for today, for this year. Yes. Sakay, yes. After this. We're just gonna buy some dessert. Coco Mama. We're gonna try that. We just had our dinner at Nalta. And now we'll be having our dessert, Coco Mama. Yes. The famous Coco Mama here in Boracay. And then we'll go to the sky pool later, okay? We're gonna swim until 10. Smile naman din. Meron na naman. I'm gonna buy some dessert first. Hey, saglit lang kasi. Alin mo muna din.
Mga luma na din siguro dito, ma'am. Mga luma na din. Ayan na. Isa mo kayo na kayo ng parang isa.
Ano ba to? Ice cream, Coco Mama.